Hi, welcome to today's video. We will be reading the book One Bear at Bedtime. So this is a bedtime story that we can read before we go to sleep. I love bedtime stories, and this is one of my favorites. Hi, I'm Gina Antrim. I'm an AAC therapist and SLP, and I have been for the past 9 years. As we're reading this book today, I will be providing aided language input using the LAMP Words for Life vocabulary from PRC. Okay. Wow. Look at all of those animals on our front cover. And then there's a little boy, and he's in some pajamas, and he has a teddy bear. I used to sleep with a teddy bear when I was younger. What about you? Do you sleep with anything at night? All right, let's get ready to read. We're going to open our front cover and turn the pages. And here's our title page. Let's read our title again. One Bear at Bedtime. And there's the bear. He's all by himself, isn't he? Oh, now he is upside down. Silly bear. One bear at bedtime is all I need. So he's getting ready, it looks like, to go to bed. And he says, I just need my teddy bear. Two, I have 2 pigs who wear my clothes. 2 pigs? And they're wearing his clothes. And the silly pig, he's got shorts on his head. Silly pig. 3 kangaroos who bounce on my bed. Boing, boing. They're going up and down, bouncing on his bed. But he looks like he's feeling happy as he's bouncing up and down on the bed. 4 giraffes who sit in the bath. My goodness, that must be a big bathtub to fit 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 giraffes in it, plus the little boy. 5 lions who mess around with the shampoo. Uh-oh, they're going to use it all up because they have a lot of hair and fur that they're going to wash with that shampoo. 6 snakes who unwind the toilet paper. Uh-oh, that's going to make a big mess unwinding all of that toilet paper. 7 ostriches who drink my milk. I like to drink water before bed. What about you? 8 crocodiles who use up all of the toothpaste. That's because of all of the teeth they have in their big mouths, their snouts, all of those teeth. They are going to use up all of the toothpaste. 9 caterpillars who crawl about at night. Did you spot them all? Where are they? We have to go back. We got to go back in our story and we're going to find them, okay? So down here by the teddy bear is 1. We found 1. And then if we look at our alligator page, up on his nose, we'll find another 1. There's 2. And then, do you see the ostrich? He's looking at one of the caterpillars. I think he might want to eat it. So there's 3. And then our other one with the snakes is inside the toilet paper here. So that makes 4. And here with the lion, can you help me find it? It's a hard one because it is on the number. It's in a different spot. All right, so that makes 5. All right, let's see if we can find the caterpillar on this page. It is on the side of the tub. That makes 6. All right, we're going to find another caterpillar. Let's look hard. He's hiding. It is under the bed. He doesn't want to get bounced up and down on. So that makes 7. All right, let's find another one. He's in the stinky shoe. There's 8. All right, we have 1 more to find. Good job. He's on the stairway. So that makes 9. All right, let's go back to our page then. 10. And a monster with 10 heads who takes forever to say good night. But one bear at bedtime is all I need. So all the other animals are sleeping off to the side, but then he's just sleeping with his teddy bear. And if you want, you can pause the video so that you can just look at the screen and see if you can find all 9 caterpillars again. And that is the end of our story. We made it to the back of our book. All right, thank you so much for reading with me. I hope that you liked it as much as I did. If you did like this video, give me a thumbs up down below. Subscribe to my channel and make sure to hit the bell to get all alerts whenever I upload new videos. And please leave a comment. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching.